Ready to open the hood? UseTool for the tutorials.
And for car parts, the right idea is the Mr. Auto app. Easy, fast, and with better prices than on the website.
You will find the bulbs used in the video exclusively on the Mr. Auto website and through the link in the description. Turn your engine off and pull up the handbrake. To increase the lifespan of your bulbs, we suggest never touching the glass with your bare fingers. If you have to do so, do it with thoroughly cleaned hands before putting them back. To access and replace the taillight bulbs, you need to open the car trunk and take out the headlight housing. Open the trunk and locate the place where the carpet's open. Take out the power connector. To do this, push on the small plastic tab and simultaneously pull on the terminal. Identify the plastic wing nut which holds the lights. Unscrew it, turning the nut anti-clockwise. With your hands, pull directly on the light. Remember to do this horizontally in line with the car. To remove the bulb holder, pull out each of the plastic tabs that hold it with your fingers while holding the connector board. Each bulb is removed in the same way, by simply pulling it out.
All parts used in this tutorial are supplied by our trusted partners. These partners also help us create as many video tutorials as possible. Check them out in the description below.
Take the new bulbs. Do the same but in reverse when putting the new bulb back in. Put the connector board back in by simply pushing on it, positioning it the right way round. Reposition the light in its housing by pushing on it, but being careful not to force it too much. Screw the windscrew back in by hand. Put the electric connector back into the headlight. Put the carpet back in place. To replace the bulbs located in the tailgate, unclip the plastic cover. Remove the board holding the bulbs. Each bulb is removed in the same way by simply pulling it out. Take the new bulbs. Do the same but in reverse when putting the new bulb back in. Put the connector board back in by simply pushing on it, positioning it the right way round. Put the plastic cover back in place. Operation completed.
Hi, it's Theo from UseTool. I hope this video has helped you a lot in your car maintenance. We will be super grateful if you could spread the word so that we can produce even more tutorials. Simply give us a like, a comment, and hit that subscribe button. It really helps us boost the channel and help the whole community. Thanks a lot and have a great one.